students, let us discuss about chemical properties of metal and non-metals. As we have discussed in previous video the physical properties of metal and non-metal, today we will discuss reaction of metal with oxygen, acid and water. Before to understand the chemical reaction with metal, we will understand the nature of metal. What is the nature of metal? Metals are electropositive in nature. Metals are electropositive in nature. Metals have a tendency to lose the electron. For example, sodium loss 1 electron, it become Na plus ion. Magnesium loss 2 electron, it become Mg2 plus ion. So in this way we can understand the positive nature of metals. Let us start new reaction. Now, what is the reaction of metal with oxygen? Any element react with oxygen and it form their corresponding oxides. So metal also react with oxygen and it form metal oxides. For example, sodium react with oxygen, it forms sodium oxide. Magnesium react with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. And obviously calcium will react with oxygen and it will form calcium oxides. What is the nature of these oxides? Now let us start to understand what is the nature of these oxides. Nature of these oxides are basic. Actually, metal oxides are basic in nature. Why metal oxides are basic in nature? Because its aqueous solution turns red litmus into blue litmus. As we know, base turns red litmus into blue litmus. And why it is so? Because metal oxide when dissolved in water, it forms its hydroxide. So metal oxides when dissolved in water, it forms its hydroxide. So here you can see sodium oxide dissolved in water, it forms sodium hydroxide. Magnesium oxide dissolved in water, it forms its hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. This is base. So we can understand metal oxides are basic in nature. So what is the reaction of metal oxide with acid? Metal oxide will react with acid. You know, metal oxides are basic in nature. Therefore, it will react with acid. Then there will neutralization reaction will form and the product will be salt and water. So sodium oxide will react with HCl. Sodium oxide will react with HCl. It will form NaCl plus H2O. And calcium oxide will react with H2SO4. It will form calcium sulfate and water. This is acid-base reaction. So acid-base reaction of metal oxide with acid, we can understand metal oxides are basic in nature. Even some metals are not basic oxide. It is amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means it behave like acid as well as base. These amphoteric oxides are zinc oxide and aluminium oxides. Zinc oxide and aluminium oxides are amphoteric oxides. We can understand that by reaction, zinc oxide react with HCl, it forms zinc chloride plus H2O. Here zinc oxide just like a base, and in second reaction zinc oxide react with NaOH, it forms sodium zincate which is salt and water. Here in second reaction zinc oxide act as base. In third one, again you can give example, aluminium oxide is amphoteric. Aluminium oxide react with HCl, it form aluminium chloride and water. So here is base. And second reaction, aluminium oxide react with sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium aluminate which is salt and water. So aluminium oxide and zinc oxide both are amphoteric and it behave like a amphoteric substance. Now let us understand reaction of metal with water. It can be categorized into three parts: High reactive metal can react even with cold water like sodium, potassium, calcium, and some metals react with hot water and some metal react with steam, and few of the metals do not react with water even if with steam. Potassium, sodium, calcium react with water, it form its hydroxide and produce hydrogen gas. It produce hydrogen gas and heat and light. Heat and light. Potassium react with water. Potassium get melt with silvery ball and moves fastly over water, and react with water, it form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Reaction of sodium is also just like potassium. It also react with water and it forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. And calcium also react with water, it form calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay students, now second part of metals. In first part we have discussed metals like sodium, potassium and calcium can react even with cold water and it react vigorously. Now what is the reaction of magnesium with water? Magnesium can react with hot water as well as with steam. Magnesium react with hot water and it form magnesium hydroxide just like sodium and potassium and produce hydrogen gas. When magnesium react with steam, magnesium also react with steam, but when the metal react with steam, it does not form hydroxide, it always form oxide. So magnesium react with steam, it form magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas always produced by metal when react with water. Now reaction with aluminium. Aluminium also react with steam. When steam is passed over the aluminium metal, it react with aluminium and it form aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas. So next is iron. Iron also react with steam and it form iron oxide and produce hydrogen gas. So these are the reaction of aluminium, iron and magnesium with water. So we have discussed two parts: reaction of metal even with cold water, high reactive metal have reacted, and some metals react with hot water and steam. Now we will discuss reaction of metal with acid. What is the reaction of metal with acid? We will discuss. So we can understand here all metals are not equally reacted with water, because different metals react with different manner with water. Some metals react vigorously like sodium and potassium, therefore it is stored under the kerosene oil so that it can be prevented from the reaction with water and air also. Some metals react with hot water and some metals react with steam. On the basis of this, we can also arrange the reactivity order of metals, and we will study about the reactivity of metals in next video. I hope you will see this video also, and that video which I have just going to discuss you reactivity order, you will also see this video. So next. Now what is the reaction of metal with acid? Acid that produce H plus ion, and metals are also electropositive in nature. So it is one kind of displacement reaction, single displacement, in which metal which are above the reactivity series of hydrogen, it displaces hydrogen and therefore it produces hydrogen gas. So metal react with acid and it produces hydrogen gas. For example, sodium react with HCl, it produces NaCl plus hydrogen gas, metal compound plus hydrogen gas, and calcium react with H2SO4, it will form calcium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. So we can understand magnesium also, magnesium react with HCl and it form magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. So students, reaction of metal with acid. We have discussed metal react with acid and produce hydrogen gas. Now some metals do not produce hydrogen gas. This is because these metals are below the reactivity order of hydrogen. They are less reactive than hydrogen, like copper. Second, nitric acid. Metal do not produce hydrogen gas when it react with nitric acid. This is because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. When metal react with nitric acid, it produce hydrogen. But due to oxidizing nature of nitric acid, it again oxidize the hydrogen and convert into water. And nitric acid reduce itself into nitrous oxide and nitrogen dioxide. For example, zinc react with HNO3, it produce zinc nitrate and zinc nitrate plus nitrogen dioxide and water. But some metals react with nitric acid like manganese and magnesium and they produce hydrogen gas. Manganese, magnesium produce hydrogen gas. For example, magnesium react with nitric acid, it produce magnesium nitrate plus hydrogen gas. But there is a one condition, that the magnesium and manganese must react with very dilute nitric acid. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed this video.